charge sheet filing by the police when the offense has committed. So section 191A, receiving a complaint of facts of an offense. So మీరు పోలీస్ స్టేషన్లో కంప్లైంట్ పెట్టినప్పుడు దే విల్ టేక్ ఏ కంప్లైంట్. What are the actions, what are the circumstances where the offense have taken place, where the crime have committed, anna ee subject anta you will be writing in the complaint copy. So here section 191B, police report. They will prepare a police report writing such facts stating that మీరు ఇచ్చిన కంప్లైంట్ని సెక్షన్ 191Bలో అంటే దే విల్ మేక్ ఏ పోలీస్ రిపోర్ట్ స్టేటింగ్ దట్ మీరు కంప్లైంట్ కాపీలో ఏదైతే మెన్షన్ చేశారో దట్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ ప్రూఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎవిడెన్సెస్ and where the crime have committed, these kind of proofs will be mentioned in the police report in this section. So section 191C, upon information from a non-police resources are the magistrate's own knowledge or suspension. So here section 190C, I think ఇది అంత ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ నార్మల్ సిటిజన్స్కి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ దో నాన్ పోలీస్ రిసోర్సెస్ మీన్స్ they will make an investigation from the local people where the crime have committed. Example, the place where the offense have taken place, akkada the neighbors are like ఎవరైనా అక్కడ present అయి ఉంటే, the shops or the surroundings there, they will be collecting information through their some personal people apart from police is subjected to 191C. So here section 173(2) CRPC, after completing an investigation, the police officer must submit a final report charge sheet to the magistrate in a detailed way. So after completion of this set of facts, medical examination reports, offenses, crime where have taken place, and nature of the crime, how and which way it has committed, this kind of all full set of facts collect చేసిన తర్వాత he have to submit this final report to the magistrate. After submitting this report to the magistrate, he have to produce criminal in front of the judge within 24 hours. So required contents is the report must list parties, circumstances, nature of the offense, as I said, nature of the offense, whether the accused was arrested, so whether the accused was arrested immediately and produced in front of the bench within 24 hours, if released or at what date, at what time, and he have to get bond over, whether he have got bond over to the magistrate within the particular period of time, and at what time he have got released, on which basis, and bond over summary, petition, and all these details like as I said medical report for sexual offenses. Example like medical report, as I said, like medical report is mandatory in any crime, but especially in this sexual offenses like పోక్సో కేస్ కానీ సెక్షువల్ offenses కానీ ఇలాంటి I'm sorry, I'm using this word because this is completely mentioned in the law, so I have to use the sentence where it is mentioned in the books as well, so kindly bear with me. So this kind of medical report will be submitted to the magistrate after doing all the medical examination by sending both the parties to the any government hospital or like that. So next, magistrate role. Magistrate can accept the report, discharge, and order further orders, further investigation, or drop proceedings, often after hearing the information. So here, magistrate, if the report is genuine, if the report is completely, it has within time limit period lo magistrate ki 24 hours lo produce chestu, if the facts are true, if the evidences proofs are true as per the eyes of the court considered, this is a genuine report which is submitted by the police under situation law, it continues. Magistrate will continue the further proceedings, or else he might drop the case at that particular moment and ask the police, stating that to take a proper inquiry by taking the complaint of the another party, where the police is not registering the other party's complaint. Only police takes complaint from only one party, where that particular report, if sends or submits to the magistrate, then that particular offense is created under created or written in the charge sheet and submits to the magistrate. If the magistrate observes that only one complaint charge sheet is submitted to the court, then he might drop the report, this crime of offense on the spot. Is that explanation actually? And legal consequences. Incomplete or delayed report can be grounds for default bail claims, as the Supreme Court has emphasized strict complaints. So that's what I explained in the above sentence, stating that legal consequences ఏంటంటే ఒకవేళ report ni submit, if the report wanted to, if the report submission to the magistrate ఒకవేళ delay అయినా లేట్ అయినా in complaints limitation period లో సబ్మిట్ చేయకపోయినా, సో ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లో the party will be entitled for the bails. he can opt for a bail. Bail ఒక్కసారి దొరకదు, it will be rejected, and if the offense is very serious, then he might get the bail for the second time. In cases are there where the bail might be granted within the first attempt. It's purely about the criminal contest here. So here, section 173(2), intimation to magistrate as a report to acquire and necessary information sent to the court. That's what I have said in the above these things. So here, charge sheet. If charge sheet should be prepared, have to be prepared by a police officer, then minimum things are those where the panchnamas, medical reports by the by the complainants, through the hospitals, through the hospital. This examination, medical examination, is mandatory and must. Then after, panchnamas, proof of evidences, witnesses, witnesses of the both, witnesses of the both the parties, stating that whether the crime have taken place and whether they are presented over there or not. Any photo, videos, graphs, or any oral statements of the witnesses where the crime have been taken place. So this is a mandatory thing where they have to take it into consideration when they are preparing a charge sheet. If one of these are failed, um, the chart sheet might be won't be accepted properly in the eyes of the magistrate when the private complaint have moved. So here, one more thing, police ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా, ఎంత ఇంటెలిజెంట్గా they will make a sketch. అంటే if really witnesses are not present, then they will create their own witnesses. They will create their own witnesses to complete the charge sheet. వాళ్ళు charge sheet complete చేయడానికి సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా they might create witnesses as well. It's वो तो उन लोगों की बाएं हाथ की खेल है, as you know. So it's not like that all the police stations in all the areas, in all the places, in all the union territories, in all the states this happens. But yes, in some places, in some remote areas, like I don't want to particularly say about any states over here. So in some particular remote areas, this might happen. This might happen. This happens too in few places. So this kind of charge sheet, this kind of witnesses, they might prepare, and they might lock you in a wrong false cases. Then where you're supposed to move a private complaint, in the court, stating that they are not accepting my complaint, and they are not taking a complaint, and they are not making any FIR on my particular complaint, is a main subject to the matter. I think it's a very lengthy video where I can't upload this in the Instagram, where I can upload this in the Facebook, but though I will take small bits to give you an explanation, so that I can post in the Instagram, where you can understand about this private complaint and the charge sheet, how then the procedure, how it will be maintained. Thank you.